Here the first question is, a heated body emits radiation which has maximum intensity near the frequency of F0. The emissivity of the material is 0.5 if the absolute temperature of the body is doubled. We know from Wien's displacement law lambda mt is equal to constant. We know that lambda is equal to c by f. Then एठी हमें पुट कर देबा c by f into t is equal to constant. That implies c टा constant से समान से प्रूव पड़ियो t by f is equal to constant. That means t1 by f1 is equal to t2 by f2. Here f1 is equal to f0, t1 is equal to t. Then f2 is equal question mark, t2 is equal to 2t. एठी हमें पुट कर देबा ए वैल्यू गुडा. देन हबो t1t divided by f0 is equal to t2 2t divided by f2. That implies f2 is equal to 2t f0 divided by t. That implies f2 is equal to 2f0. Answer is the maximum intensity of radiation will be near the frequency of 2f0. Option A. Second question is, the ideal refrigerator has a freezer at a temperature of minus 12 degrees Celsius. The coefficient of performance of engine is 5. The temperature of the air is ideal refrigerator amara dechi coefficient of performance k is equal to t2 divided by t1 minus t2. एठी हम टेम्परेचर देइछि -12 डिग्री सेल्सियस, t2 टा दे देइछि -12 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एटा केल्विन फास्ट कन्वर्ट करिया. -12 plus 273 is equal to 261 Kelvin. Then put in this formula. Here k is also given. K is 5. Then 5 equal to 261 divided by t1 minus 261. That implies 261 is equal to 5 t1 minus that implies 5 t1 is equal to 261 plus 13.05 equal to that implies t1 is equal to एतिकी 313.2 केल्विन. केल्विन को आम डिग्री सेल्सियस कले 313.2 minus 273 एटू माइनस कले 40.2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Next question is, let Cp and Cv denote the molar specific heat capacities of an ideal gas at constant pressure and volume respectively. Which of the following is a universal gas constant? Universal gas constant माने R. Direct answer is Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Next question is, a hot liquid is kept in a big room. The logarithm of the numerical value of the temperature difference between the liquid and room is plotted against time. The plot will be nearly from Newton's law of cooling. Rate of change of temperature is equal to k into T minus Tm. That implies dt divided by T minus Tm is equal to k dt. Integrate two side कर देले ln T minus Tm is equal to kt plus c. एटा हमर स्ट्रेट लाइन रो फॉर्मूला. देन आंसर टा हबो ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Next question, an ideal heat engine operates between two temperatures 600 Kelvin and 900 Kelvin. Then T1 is equal to 900 Kelvin, T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin. We know efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus 600 divided by 900 is equal to 900 minus 600 divided by 900 is equal to 300 divided by 900 is equal to 1 by 3. Efficiency बाहर कला तो परसेंटेज बाहर कला into 100 करियो is equal to 33%. Answer is D. An ideal gas heat engine operates between 227 degrees Celsius and 127 degrees Celsius. It absorbs electric heat at a higher temperature. The amount of heat converted into work is. First time लिखिबा T1 is equal to 227 degrees Celsius. एटा केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करिया plus 273 500 Kelvin. T2 is equal to 127 degrees Celsius. 27 plus 273 is equal to 400 Kelvin. Then I मतलब बाहर करें coefficient eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus 400 divided by 500 is equal to 500 400 equal to 100 divided by 500 means 1 by 5. We know eta is equal to work output divided by heat input. ये हीट इनपुटा हीट एब्जॉर्प्शन लिखाई एति हीट इनपुटा आमको दे देछि माने इटाटा हम भाछि 1/5 प्लस 1/5 इज इक्वल टू वर्क आउटपुट डिवाइडेड बाय हीट इनपुटा अछि 8 × 10⁴ कैलोरी. दैट इम्प्लाइज वर्क आउटपुट इज इक्वल टू 8 × 10⁴ डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 1.6 × 10⁴ कैलोरी. आंसर is option number D. The volume of a cell in 6-dimensional phase space is phase space माने गोटे हूँ पोजिशन कोऑर्डिनेट आ गोटे आसवा आमर मोमेंटम कोऑर्डिनेट. पोजिशन कोऑर्डिनेट पाई कौन एक्स वाई जेड आ मोमेंटम पाई पी एक्स पी वाई पी जेड. वॉल्यूम बाहर करवा एक्स वाई जेड पी एक्स पी वाई पी जेड then x px ये गोटे वॉल्यूम y py z pz h is equal to hq. Question number A. The mean internal energy of one-dimensional classical harmonic oscillator in equilibrium with heat of both temperature T. Equipartition of energy एठी हम बुझौछि thermal equilibrium. Average contribution of each quadratic term is equal to half kBT. Then total energy of one-dimensional classical harmonic oscillator in equilibrium is equal to px square by 2m plus half kx square. Then mean energy तर बाहर E is equal to half kBT plus half kBT is equal to kBT. Answer is B. If A is solenoidal, then it is equal to first question here del cross del cross del cross A. फर्स्ट आम एति को सॉल्व करिया डेल क्रॉस ए इक्वल टू डेल डॉट ए माइनस डेल स्क्वायर ए लिखाई एटा सॉल्व लेट डेल डॉट ए इक्वल 0 ए टर्मटा आम 0 हो दैट मीन्स एटा आमर हम माइनस डेल स्क्वायर एटा आम पुट करवा ये जाए डेल क्रॉस माइनस डेल स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू ए टर्म जब आम बी बोली नबा ताले एटा कौन लिखाई था डेल क्रॉस बी इक्वल टू डेल डॉट बी माइनस डेल स्क्वायर बी जगह ए टर्मटा को पुट करवा इज इक्वल टू डेल डॉट माइनस डेल स्क्वायर ए माइनस डेल स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू ये डेल डॉट ए फॉर्मटा आसीगला तो यहाँ 0 हो देन यहाँ माइनस माइनस प्लस हो del fourth A. Option number A is correct. Next question is gamma n plus 1 is equal to gamma n plus 1 फॉर्मूला में जानचे gamma n एटा. Find the value of gamma 7/2 divided by gamma 1/2. Gamma 7/2 divided by gamma 1/2 जो gamma 7/2 रे वैल्यू केन वैल्यू लिखा है gamma 7 divided by 2 is equal to gamma 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 gamma 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 डायरेक्ट ये डिवाइड आम करदे भी आर भैल्यूटा हूँ गामा 1 by 2 भैल्यू हूँ रूट पाइले कि कर रूट पाइले लिखिदेले भी चलो न कले भी डायरेक्ट आम पुट करदे 5 by 2 इंटू 3 by 2 इंटू 1 by 2 गामा 1 by 2 डिवाइडेड बाय गामा 1 by 2 ये दुटा कटिगला आम है 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 ऑप्शन सी।